this is our original first Kubo, and this is the one we do the sleeping. That's the one where we now have for eating. So this one was built by a different person, so you'll notice the features and the designs are slightly different. So this one has a small little open door. Now you must excuse the mess, because at the moment everyone's building here, and me and Joanne, we flew in and arrived yesterday morning, so we're still unpacking and moving some bits about. So it has a small seating area, a little bit here. This originally was going to be for the microwave, but it wasn't big enough, so now it's a general storage area. And you see the little pretty sunflower designs, and then on the door it also has a little flower. And then the bedroom, so you have a double bed on the bottom and a single bed which is being used for shelving storage with the stairs, and we have mosquito netting going across the top. The windows covered down here, some hardboard on this side, and in the ceiling, in this one, there is a fan. So this is where I stay while we're building. So the seat's not too bad area, but it's a lot more comfortable now we have the other Kubo. And here's our second Kubo. Here's the lovely wife. And she's just cleaning up around the plants.
Just removing, these are our pomegranates.
So we have some pomegranate plants, we're trying to see if they'll grow here in the Philippines. So this one's a eating area. Inside you can see there's a TV, we've got a table, so you can space for the microwave and some bedding. This is our new outdoor kitchen. So here's the washing area, the gas stove, some storage table, and over here is our old kitchen area. Now we've moved the kitchen area this side because you'll see we've got some metal panels here. Now they get very hot, which makes this Kubo very hot, whereas this one has more traditional roofing. So inside, well, we have the creaky door. Let's get my slippers off. We have a dog. Say hello, Patchy. Very good. We have Scotty, and then this is the seating area. Again, this one was made by a different guy, so it has slightly different finishings to the previous one, but it's very nice. All of these seatings, the backs are made on the back side of this bamboo here, so that they recline backwards. The TV works and is in place, but there's no fan in this one. But with all the open air, this one's not too bad, even for an Englishman. At the moment we have this extension wire, which comes from that Kubo. So I'm not too keen on it, so I've put these two fans up on the ceiling with a new light socket in the middle. I've hidden some wiring around the back, so we have this plug socket holding ring main in here. The wire goes all the way over the top of this Kubo, goes all the way along the top here, another plug socket here to a circuit breaker, and there's another plug socket the other side there for that microwave. So in a bit the electrician will come just so we can fit the drop wire from this circuit breaker across to that Kubo circuit breaker, which then goes across to a circuit breaker there, which goes out to the mains outside.
A helping cat.
A very helpful cat, or a disturbing cat.